says in this video we're going to write a formula for a polynomial function from a graph. It says the graph of the polynomial f of x is given below. If f of x has degree 3, find the factored equation for f of x. Well, if it's a degree 3, we can see that we cross the x-axis at 3 different spots. So we have 3 different zeros. 0, -1. Oh, not 0, -1. -1, 0. 1, 0. And 3, 0. So if we kind of work backwards here, we would have x equal -1, x equal 1, like this would be our finishing solutions when we solve this equation, or x equal 3. If I add 1 over, that really tells me x plus 1 is the factor, or x minus 1 is a factor, or if I subtract 3 over, that's x minus 3 is a factor. So I know this equation looks like this. Y equals, or f of x equals, I'll put both, same thing, equals a x plus 1, x minus 1, x minus 3. Now the only thing I need to figure out here is what is a? So what's the leading coefficient? I know the leading coefficient is going to be positive because of the end behavior. But I do see that I have a y-intercept here, which would be 0, 1. If I plug that into the equation, I can figure out what a is. So I plug in 0 and 1. 1 equals a, 0 plus 1, 0 minus 1, 0 minus 3. That's going to be 1 times -1 times -3. So that's positive 3. So I end up with 1 equals 3a when I multiply those. Divide by 3 on each side. And a is going to equal 1/3. That tells us our equation is f of x equals 1/3 x plus 1, x minus 1, x minus 3.